Greeting guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel, nenomaila M Trader, as you already know. So on today's video, I'm actually going to show you my top 5 forex pairs of all time for beginners and also for advanced traders. So my first one would be Euro USD, which is best for beginners. Euro USD, Euro USD. So this is Euro USD. So what I like about Euro USD is that it respect market structure a lot. So as you can see on the one hour time frame, it's giving us this build up, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So from here, obviously, we might be buying to the next high, creating another high. This is what I love about Euro USD. It's very strict, very simple to trade, especially for beginners. It's a very nice pair to trade for beginners. And also, what I love about it is the candlestick patterns that it forms. It actually gives you let's say you're using what is this, Fibonacci. Let's say you're using Fibonacci, you drag it from your lowest to your highest. You can see that it even gave you a nice retracement on your 78%. This is where you would have had your entry, or here on the 50%. Placing your stop loss where? Let me show you. Placing your stop loss here. Sorry for the small screen. I just hide my pairs, my favorite pairs. So this would be your stop loss, targeting this 50%, making it 1:1 risk ratio, which is not really bad though. So you can see why I like Euro USD. For beginners, it's a good market you might study. Even if you wanna be a scalper, you can go to 15 minutes. It also caters for you on the 15 minutes time frame. If ever you were a scalper, look at how it also gives you a market structure: higher high, higher low, higher high. Then the market came back. The market came back to this to break this low. What is happening now? So the market broke this low, retested, gave you a bullish engulfing, and what did it do? It gave you a sell, a nice sell. So you can see overall, even with scalping, it works, because this was your market structure: high, low, high, low, high. Then it disrespected this low that it formed here, giving you a nicer test. This is where you would have entered, targeting where? Your next low, this low that was formed here, this low over here. So you would have entered after the bearish engulfing, placing your stop loss on top of the somewhere here. So overall you can see that it gave you a nice trade. So this is why it's on my list as number 1 on the list. So up next we have GBP USD. So GBP USD, let me just GBP USD. So GBP, what I love about GBP USD, what I love about it is that it actually moves. It actually moves. Let me remove this. And it also trades with what is this, market structure, and also you can use also your trend lines. Like for now, let's say I was a trend line trader, I would draw something like this, so they would call this first touch, second touch, third touch. Then the market sold, giving you, but then you can enter your trade on with a daily candle. You're supposed to go to your 4 hour or your 1 hour. So on your 1 hour, you can see that it gave you a nice bullish bearish engulfing. On your 4 hour, let's see on the 1 hour, I prefer entering with the smaller time frames, so like the 1 hour, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. So on the 1 hour, you would have probably entered with this one here, with this bullish engulfing. So overall, how many confluences do you have? You have our trend line and this candlestick pattern. We call this a bullish engulfing, and also you can also call it a evening star, shooting star, or evening star. This pattern over here, we can also call it a evening star, and we can call this a kangaroo tail. So overall, you would have entered here, put your SO on top of that pattern, give the market some space to breathe, targeting which area? Your lowest low, this low over here. So what happened? The market went straight to your TP. So this is why I like GBP USD. And another thing, it also caters for people like me who like using Fibonacci. Let me show you with my Fibonacci. So this is my Fibonacci. As you can see, the market was trending down. It was trending down. I dragged my Fibonacci from the highest point to my lowest point. Then it retraced on my 38%. Then it also gave me a candlestick pattern. It gave me a, what is this, kangaroo tail, or you can also call it bearish engulfing. So I would have entered here, targeting my previous low. So as you know, trading is complicated as it is, so there's no need for you to complicate it even more. So you can put your SL somewhere here. So let's see what happened. So you can see it was never hit. So overall, yeah, you can also use Fibonacci to trade GBP USD. So that's why it's second on my top 5 list. So up next we have USD JPY, if I'm not lying. USD JPY. USD JPY. So on GBP JPY, I mean USD JPY, I mean to say, what I love about it, it's, let me go to the bigger time frame, remove. So actually you can see the bigger time frame, it's actually the one controlling this market over here. Like even if you go to the monthly, you will see that this is the higher low over here. This is our higher low. This is our higher low. Previous higher high. Previous higher high, creating higher low, higher high, higher low. Now what are we creating? Another leg of our higher high. We're creating a higher high. But then overall, there's also another trend inside trend on the daily. On the daily, what do we have? We have this trend over here. This trend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So we have this trend over here. The market respecting this low over here, and here's my BMS, break of market structure, template BMS. So the market retraced. Let's use our Fibonacci. So it's a pretty simple market. We know that we're buying. We might get sales for retracement, but in overall I'm in it for a buys in most cases. But if you go to the smaller time frame like the 1 hour, you'll get some opportunities for selling. So let's go to the 4 hour. So in the 4 hour, you can see that the market it's now I think I don't think it's ready to buy as yet, but then we'll see Monday. So let's go to the. So this was an impulse. All this is a correction. All this was a correction. All this was a correction. So the market might but in overall on the 1 hour, the market structure has shifted to buys because of it broke this lower high over here, so giving us creating a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This high, this is not a high, so we might still say the market is still buying, respecting this low over here. If ever the market breaks below, then we're selling. I'm even giving you guys an analysis. Sorry. So yeah, this is I think USD JPY it's best for advanced traders, cause it also moves it moves more. I think it moves more, and it's good for scalping. It's good for scalping. So as you can see, this is my high. So this high, so this high was never broken, so I can't call this my new high, and I can't call this my new low. So I'm still waiting for the market to actually tell me where it's but then if ever I was trading this, if I was in this trade, I'd be holding a buy from this level. Because then let me just show you something. I think it's my 70%. Yeah, I'd be holding a buy from here, targeting. I'd take my first TP here, my second TP here. So yeah, it's a buy for me, still a buy. Yeah. So yeah guys, as you can see, so my next one would be GBP JPY, GBP JPY, GBP GBP JPY. So I don't want to open my chart, I need a clean chart. GBP, why do I keep doing GBP JPY, GBP JPY. I'm getting slow. So this is a clean chart, right? Let me just show you. Let me just remove everything. GBP JPY. I don't. Overall, our bigger time frame it's buy. So you should know that it's a buy. Even on the monthly, on the daily, it's a buy. On the 4 hour, it's a buy. What I love about it. Let me just go to the daily. Here's my daily. As you can see, you can predict 1,000 pips in future. Then go to the 15 minute or the 1 hour. So every day you'll be doing what? You'll be targeting at least 50 pips or 100 pips. So you'll be targeting what? You'll be waiting for only buys. You'll be waiting for only what? Buys. You wanna buy in this market. So let me just show you nice buys. Here's a nice buy, bullish engulfing buy. Where is it happening? On a strong zone. On a strong zone. So GBP JPY actually respect strong zones. There's a strong zone over here. 193 comma 193,000 .000. So there's a strong zone over here. Hence the market came and gave us a fake out of this low over here. So you would have entered here. Even if you go to the 15 minutes, you will get nice entries on this on GBP JPY. So on GBP JPY you should use, I don't wanna give out my strategy or my strategy, but then use what should I call them? Psychological levels. Use psychological levels. Here's another one over here. Here's another psychological level. Somewhere here, there's a psychological level. Here, where the market turned here. See, let me just highlight something. See what I mean? This is a psychological level over here. You got another entry. There's an entry. There's an entry. So you actually see how simple GBP JPY is. So I just want to show you psychological levels here. Look what happened when the market came to this psychological level. Look, it turned. Look here, it rejected another psychological level. I just want to place it randomly on a psychological level. Okay, let me just say coordinates 750. I'll just say 750. Then watch. See what I mean? See, look at the rejections over here. Rejection. Then we broke above. Then we came to retest that level. We came again. Let me just do another example, guys. Here we're just using psychological levels. Let me just randomly 196. Let me just show you something. 196 100, or let me just say 500. I want to show you guys something. See what I mean? So GBP JPY, guys, I gave you a tip you can add onto that. Then trade is profitable as a beginner and also as a advanced trade, because then this thing moves from here to here. I think it's a 100 pip. Let me just show you something. It's actually 40 pips, but then remember, we're also gonna count the week. Sorry, excuse me. And also, here's another thing. Look at this head and shoulder. Remember, they say a head and shoulder travels the same length from the tip of the shoulder to the head. That's your TP. So meaning something like this. See, your TP was hit. So yeah guys, GBP JPY, it's my fourth, but then personally this is my number one go-to pair. So up next we have, lastly we have AUD CAD. AUD CAD, remove drawings. AUD CAD, AUD CAD, CAD. Okay, remove. Okay, this is what we have. I just want to show you here. Normally in most cases AUD CAD like creating patterns, and also trade with resistance, support and resistance. Let me just show you something. Look at how many times this level acted as a resistance, here and here and here and also here. Let me just show you. And also look at even where we're trading as in now. There's a support. Here's our first attempt and our second attempt. So even if you go to the daily, you see some areas of such. If they get broken, they normally get tested. So first touch, second touch, multiple touches. So you can see first attempt, actually this we can also count this second attempt, multiple attempts. So even if we go to the 4 hour, I just want to show you guys something. Like support and resistance works here, works. So even patterns, like I said, see what I mean? So yeah, this is mainly for people who like using patterns, and also what is this, trend lines, and who trade patterns. Yeah, see, it's a again, what is this? It's a flag. It's a flag. That's our flag. Let me just find another pattern. Here's our flag. Here's our W. Even it's not even W, it's head and shoulders. Here's our head, our left shoulder, our head, our right shoulder. So this is it. This is it. This is where you would have had your entry, stop loss placed here, or you can even enter. I would have entered here, right here. I would have entered here, targeting here. Next target would be the same length of from here, from the shoulder to the tip. So I'm still trying to show you another patterns. Other patterns. Here's another pattern. Here's another pattern. What's happening? So yeah guys, I don't want to make this video very long. So here's a what is this, flag, bearish flag. And you can also use trend lines here. Here's a W. Here's a W pattern. Here's a W pattern, entry, target hit. Another W, entry, target hit. Let me find an M. Here's an M formation, M pattern, entry right here or over here, target hit. So you can see guys, even support and resistance work here. The market, let me just show you, was respecting this level as a resistant. It broke it, retested, head down, retested, head down, retested, head down, retested, head down, retest, head down. So you can see that this AUD cat actually respect, what is this, uh, patterns and candlestick formations and support and resistance. We can simplify that by seeing price action. So you can see, guys, I'm trying to draw you something else here. So you can see that this is our flag, retest, market shoot down. So this is our, what is this, a wedge. It's a wedge. This is a wedge. This is a wedge or bearish exponential, expanding, bearish expanding triangle. It broke out, then it head down, double bottom, double top, market shut down, higher high, higher low, higher high, creating low, money star, then we shot up. So as you can see, guys, I tried and explained why this is my top 5 go-to as a beginner and also as an advanced trader. Before you go anywhere, can you please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for me? Nenomaila M Traders, more videos coming. Peace and blessings, guys. Peace.
Make me hustle every day. We chasing paper. At about like you want.